Hello once again, and this is Uncle Jimmy of Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures, and today my son Forbes wants to do a Spam review, and we've got different flavors of Spam here that we're going to try, and me and my wife and Forbes are going to try it and let you know which ones we like the best. We have different flavors. We got hot and spicy Spam, we have Korean barbecue Spam, hickory smoked Spam, regular Spam, Spam light, and then what's the other flavor we have down here? We have oven roasted turkey Spam. So my wife has heated up everything here, and we're about to try it a different piece at a time and see which one we like the best. So I'll get my son out here. As soon as my wife gets it all prepared, we'll give it a try. So follow us on this adventure. So we're going to rate these from 1 to 10 on taste, and then at the end we'll each tell which one we like the best. So we're going to start down here on the end and work our way down. We're going to go with Spam Single Light, it's called. So we're gonna give it a try. So everybody take a piece and put it on their plate, and let's do the taste test and see what it's like. I mean, you gotta like Spam. I like Spam. My wife likes Spam. Forbes likes Spam. The light is just the basic Spam. It just tastes like Spam to me. So, I mean, I'll give it a 5. Mm-hmm. What do you think, Jenny?
Probably a 4 because it's bland.
It is kind of bland. That's why I gave it a 5. What do you think, Forbes?
I guess like a 4.8.
Yeah, so we all agreed to 4 or 5 because it's kind of just bland. It don't have much of a taste. So that one's done. Now we'll go with, this is kind of worrying me here, Spam Hot and Spicy Single. So it's supposed to be really spicy, so we're all getting ready to try that. And of course I'm taking the smaller piece because I'm not trusting that. And then we'll go ahead and taste it. I hope this don't make us all sick from eating all this Spam. That's a little bizarre.
That would be.
It's got a little kick to it, but I give it a 2. I'm not caring for that one that
I
well.
think that one is like a 6 or 7 because if you had some eggs in a
Really?
burrito,
You like it?
if you had eggs in a burrito, it would be really good.
I give it a 2.
I give it like a 3.5. It just tastes like jalapenos.
Mm-hmm. And my wife liked it.
You know what? If you have it with some scrambled eggs in a burrito with some salt,
Oh
peppers,
no,
and onions,
I'm not liking it. Are you?
it'd be pretty good.
Mm-mm.
Yeah.
That didn't do it for me that well.
Very
Look, he's even giving it to his mother. Yeah, that the spice is good. It's just it don't go well with Spam.
It's like a buffalo.
I mean, it kind of look, I think it, yeah, it actually shows it in a burrito on the package.
Yeah, I don't like buffalo flavor, so that didn't go well with me.
I like that one.
Now this next one, My daughter said she liked this one. It's called Spam Korean Barbecue. So we're gonna give it a try. So everybody take one and pass it down. We're gonna try the Korean barbecue Spam. See what this is like.
That one smells strong.
What do you got here?
No, I can't even do it.
That was awful.
That's awful. I give out a 1.
No.
Oh, it's terrible. Don't like it at all. Ooh. I don't think any of us like that one. Well, you guys give that one.
You like that one?
Ooh.
0 out of 10.
Yeah, it's bad.
Oh,
I can't even do it.
no.
That's terrible.
At least 4.
My daughter likes it, so she can have all of it.
Nope.
Give it at least 4.
There you go, Epi. You can have all of that. What's the next one there, Ford? I don't know if I'll ever get that taste out of my mouth. What's the next one there? Hickory?
Hickory smoke.
Hickory smoked. So everybody take a piece and pass it
That
around.
Korean barbecue is awful.
Oh, it was. It's terrible.
That's almost as bad as those jelly beans.
All right, and here we go.
That was awful.
That one's not bad.
It kind of tastes like bacon.
Yeah, it's kind of like
Bacon.
bacon.
I still like the hot and spicy one better.
It's okay, but it's not my favorite. I don't know. I'll give it a 5. I have a feeling that regular Spam's going to be my favorite.
I'll probably give it like a 3.5, something like that.
Yeah. What do you think here, Jenny?
Probably a 4 or 5.
Yeah. I mean, it
I'd still
ain't
say
terrible.
Hot and spicy's best.
I don't want the rest of mine. I'm just not feeling it. It's okay. All right. I'm having a feeling that the regular old Spam is going to be the best. You just can't beat regular
That
Spam.
sounds pretty Dixie.
But what's the next one there, Forbes?
The next one is oven roasted turkey.
Now this one might not be too bad. Let's give it a try. So far I can't finish one piece because I don't care for it. The light was okay, but it was bland. So this is oven roasted turkey.
Spam and turkey.
Give it a 2. It don't even have a taste that well.
I know, it's hard to swallow that one.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. 1 or a 2. So,
Probably a 2 because the Korean barbecue is better than that one.
oh my goodness. Here, I'll give this to the
That's a
dog.
lot worse than I thought. Dixie.
Here, pop that in her bowl there. And give me my plate back. Dixie will eat anything. She likes anything.
That was awful.
Well, we all know what regular Spam's like, so we're all going to try a piece of it. I need my plate there back, or one of them. Or just take a piece off of there. Here you go, Ford. Just take a piece. Alright, so this is regular Spam. Yeah, I'm sticking with regular. I give it a 10. You just can't beat Spam. Regular Spam.
Yeah.
Well, hot and spicy is better.
I didn't like hot and spicy. So all in all, which one is your favorite?
Probably just the regular Spam.
Me too. What about you,
I'd
Jenny?
say the hot and spicy one.
Really? So my wife says the hot and spicy. My daughter likes the Korean barbecue. And me and Forbes, likes the regular Spam. So there's your review on Spam. I hope you enjoyed this little video on reviewing tasting different kinds of Spam. I think I'll just stick to regular Spam if I ever buy it again. So it's been Uncle Jimmy of Jimmy's Train Station Travel Adventures. If you're watching this, please subscribe if you haven't already. Feel free to leave comments, suggestions of other things you'd like to see, and be sure to share this video with your friends, and feel free to leave comments, suggestions as always. And thanks for your support. Until next time, goodbye.